There are many different ways to make chicken parmesan. I have been making chicken parmesan since I was 5. So I do a little splash of milk, about that much, to 1 egg, because I always poke my egg because it's easier to scramble it. This is your glue that binds your breadcrumbs. Then I do a combination of Panko. So I do a little bit of the seasoned Panko, which is in a container right now. And then I do mostly the seasoned, so I would say 3/4 of it are the Italian style breadcrumbs, and then 1/4 of it is the Panko breadcrumbs. So it gives it a nice crunch. And then I'm going to do a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to add more a little bit later. So adding that, I get the thin slice if I can, but I try to get organic free-range chicken when I can. I thin slice them, or I get thin sliced if it's on sale. Almost never is. So get the free-range chicken if you can, because it's better for you. And then I take my chicken. Yes, chicken is a little bit slimy. You can take it and poke it, or you can use tongs, or you could just get in there and hold them. Some people actually use gloves, so that way they don't have to touch the chicken. So we're gonna get a nice little coat on our chicken. And you're gonna repeat that over and over again, and then we're gonna fry them up. I fry them up in avocado oil, and I will show you that next. Okay, so my chicken cutlets are already breaded. I have some Francesco Rinaldi sauce simmering. This is the avocado oil that I use. I put my oil on, I have a gas range, so I'm gonna set it to medium low. And my chicken breasts are a little bit on the thicker side. Don't think I could get that last one in there. Or maybe I can if I scooch them over. Ooh, I got them all in. So I'm gonna fry them up for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I got some pasta going and just some chicken cutlets, because these are my kids' favorites. This is about 5 minutes in. Whoops, I just took off some of the coating. Sometimes you gotta move them around a little more depending on where the hotter spots are on the pan. So when I don't have homemade sauce, this is what I use, and I add a little more garlic and basil to it. And I have a prepared plate with a paper towel to get the excess oil off, I mean. I move them around some more. I flip them over again. So these look a little bit better. So altogether, these cook about 14 minutes because these were thicker pieces of chicken.